Hi everyone, I'm Tom with Ashton, and today we're getting into the weeds with Microsoft Teams messaging. Do you have important files that you need to share with another team member? You can attach them directly to your chat messages. Underneath the message bar, select Attach. Locate the file that you're looking for and hit Send. You'll get a notification once your file has been shared. Need to see what files you've shared with another user? At the top, click on the Files tab, and it'll show you all of the files that you've shared with that person. If you've watched any of our other videos, I'm sure you know by now that we are no stranger to smileys, GIFs, and stickers in our chat. You can add these to your messages using the icons below the message bar. Have you found yourself in a heated debate with another team member and you need to call in some reinforcements? You can do that by adding another user to your chat. At the top right of the corner, click the Add People button. Type in the name of the person that you want to add to the chat and click Add. Does your team thrive on motivation? Now you have the option to send team members praise through chat. Underneath the message bar, click on the praise icon. Select the badge that you want to send them and enter a personalized note. Safe spaces not included. These are just a few of the features in Microsoft Teams that'll help your team collaborate more efficiently. Want to learn more? Subscribe to our YouTube channel below. Visit us at www.ashtonsolutions.com or give us a call at 216-455-9999.